Hey guys! For this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install MetaMask on your personal computer. So, by the way, MetaMask is available on different browser. Uh, the common one is Chrome. You can install it also on your Firefox browser, Brave, Edge, and Opera. So for this video, we gonna install MetaMask on the Chrome browser. So first, before you go to the website, check nyo muna yung website na napupuntahan nyo because there are many phishing site na the same design ng MetaMask pero hindi pala legit. So please check the official website address, metamask.io. So yun lang, type nyo sa browser nyo, sa Chrome nyo, and then yun, ito na yung makikita nyo. So ano ba yung MetaMask wallet? So MetaMask wallet is a kind of a online crypto wallet na pwede nyong magagamit na pang store ng crypto token nyo, pang buy ng NFT, participating sa DeFi o yung tinatawag nilang decentralized finance, and many more. So maraming klaseng wallet, pero for this tutorial, itatakil lang natin is yung MetaMask kasi siya yung pinaka-common sa lahat. And then most of the users right now are using talaga MetaMask. So once you go here on the website, so just click this one, download for Chrome. And then after that, madadivert kayo into the Chrome Web Store. So actually, MetaMask is a extension sa Chrome na browser nyo. So click nyo lang itong add to Chrome, then add extension, and then we'll wait. Yun, na-install na. Once installed already, ito na ang makikita nyo. So andyan yung si MetaMask na logo nila. Cool. Nag-follow sa mouse, sa cursor ng mouse ko. So after that, you can click this agree and create new wallet. So if you have existing one, so ito lang yung i-click nyo. But for this video, for this tutorial, we will create a new wallet. So click this one and then read nyo lang ito, review nyo, then agree, and then create a password. Create a password, then I understand, then always keep your password. It's not long enough, so I will try again. And yun. So create, click this one. This is our first step, creating a password. Then after that, yun, napunta na tayo sa step 2. So this is the critical steps na dapat yung dapat yung i-secure. So if you click this one, secure my wallet, ito yung recommended niya. Bibigyan kayo ni MetaMask ng 6-word na recovery phrase. So yung 6-word recovery phrase, yun talaga yung pinaka-critical critical part, or yun talaga ang pinaka critical kasi dapat hindi mo siya ma-share sa iba. Kasi once na ma-share mo sa iba, yung 12-word na seed phrase mo, wala na. Ma-hack niya talaga yung wallet mo at makaka-access na siya. Then pwede niyang makuha lahat ng mga asset mo, mga crypto token mo sa wallet mo. So be careful with this. So dapat once na i-click niyo ito, so ito yung lalabas, then naka-grade na naka-black pa siya, hindi pa siya visible para wala talaga makakita. So kayo lang. So be careful na pag mag-create kayo nito na wala talaga makakita, unless makapin nila yung seed phrase nyo. So for this video, i-reveal ko lang para for this tutorial. So click nyo lang ito, reveal. Then ito yung seed phrase nyo, yung 12-word na recovery phrase nyo. So to make it secure, dapat i-write down nyo talaga sa papel, then keep nyo, if may bolt kayo, lagay nyo doon na safe talaga. So for now, you can copy this also. Click nyo ito, copy to clipboard. And then, pwede nyong i-paste sa MetaMask para meron kayong guide later on. So, pag na-copy nyo na, then click next. So, ito yung lalabas. So, if i-fill in nyo lang yung mga missing na word. So, for this one, I think charge. And then, 4 is reflect. And then, the 8th one is cause. Yun. Then, pag tama na yan, lalabas itong confirm. Then, click nyo lang. And then, yun. Meron na kayong wallet. So, click nyo itong got it. Then, next. Done. Then, para makikita nyo dito yung MetaMask wallet nyo, pwede nyo yung i-pin. So, on the upper right corner, makikita nyo itong parang logo na ganito. Parang jigsaw puzzle na logo. Click nyo yan. Then, click nyo itong pin. So, para every time na mag-add kayo ng tab, andyan yan, parate. And then, click nyo yan. So, yun. Ito yung lalabas. Then, X nyo lang. Then, click nyo ito. Got it. And then, yun. Meron ka ng MetaMask crypto wallet ng Chrome browser mo. So, the most important is keep safe your seed phrase. And then, if you want to give your address, this is your public key. So, copy nyo yan. And then, if you want to paste it here, so ito yung ano nyo, ito yung wallet address na na-create nyo. So, if someone, kung meron kang kaibigan na gustong mag-send ng crypto sa'yo, ito lang yung ibigay mo, yung wallet address mo. And then, yun, may wallet address ka na. So, hopefully it helps, guys, for the newbies. And then, hopefully soon we will make a video also on how to create a different kind of wallet like Kepler and anything else. And we will add more details on this. For now, for the newbies or for the newcomers, this is a big help to guide you to how to install the MetaMask wallet in your Chrome browser. So I think that's all, guys. Keep safe and shout out to Davao DeFi, and this video is powered by NFT Davao. So till next time, bye bye, guys.